Come down here. We hide here and we just engage.
Oh yeah. Go down. Ace, down. To wherever everyone else is.
We engage on them when they come. Shh.
Stop laughing.
I hear Ryan. You ready?
Go.
All right, go run. No. Zoom to the back. Zoom top.
Somewhere behind us.
She's dinged. Do you need help, Bastards?
Oh fuck, I got booped down.
I'm coming to help Bastards.
Yeah, I'm healing.
Zai's half.
Yeah, come back.
Nice.
Hacked.
Zai's one. How many heals?
Okay, now we switch right. We switch right. Come right side, boys. Right side.
They use self
Push
focus.
it there.
Okay.
Come right side.
In that case, no, back off. I sleep to Ryan. He's asleep. He's asleep.
Having heals. I'm speeding in. Someone dead.
I can't. We're line of sighting me.
Nice.
Lucy behind you, yippee.
Yes, I know, right?
Yeah, I'm on him. Ryan half. He's one. Dead. I cannot beat after this.
I can kill it.
Yeah, I'm on speed. Yoink.
Okay, now we pull back right.
She got yoinked. Oof.
I'm on speed. You can get out. I have beat. Left side is Lucio.
Yeah, I missed my hook.
I probably get another shot in that bed.
Okay, we're just holding them.
Alright. I sleep.
Nice. We can go on the Ryan half. Yes,
Just speed, nano Ryan.
I'm still on speed. Ryan half. Still on it. Ryan's low.
Wait,
Ryan's very low. No shield at all left.
Ryan drop.
Ryan drop. He's speeding back in. Nine.
Ryan's back, that's one.
Can someone die by the Zarya so I can see grab?
No.
What are these strats?
So he can hit it.
Yeah.
Anyway,
It's
kill
EU
the tables.
strats.
I can go back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're coming.
She has EMP maybe.
I'm gonna
I
grab.
have to hide. I'm hiding.
Yeah, grab first.
Perfect.
I hit it!
Nice. I'm waiting for
Princess is
EMP.
asleep behind.
Nice bomb, dude.
Oh,
My
fuck.
is so big.
In the EMP.
It's
in the
crack.
EMP.
Oh.
Oh no, our Hoggo, our very important ultimate. No.
Yeah, so important.
Do I go for the sneaky shot?
I gotta kill it.
Yeah,
but that's
do it, my dude.
This summer will probably see you.
Yeah, just right. Everyone stand at me right fucking now.
I can't shoot EMP for free. I'm waiting for beat.
Okay, you're kind of. You gotta come over here, man.
I'm hacked. They only have 3.
Someone's on.
I can't beat it.
Your supports are dead. Try to disengage if you can't, then die on point. Try to disengage if you can't, die on point.
I'm dying point. With
She dead? I can speed on it back from
ODB,
spawn.
we go here, ODB.
Okay.
Yeah, just hide.
Yeah, it's we're gonna come back and have a 4v4.
They have Farah.
Lucio one.
I
Ready?
think ODB's dead.
I'm beating this. Let's go.
Okay, we go.
Mine half.
I got beat.
Ryan asleep, don't wake him up.
Nice sleep. Sombra. She's tried hack. Sombra's half. Ryan no longer nano. You can die. Ryan. Still Ryan.
I'm on the Sombra low.
Man dead.
Sorry, low, no bubble.
Dead.
Nice. We're coming back with
Number
Sombra.
one. Actually one.
I'm back. Who's one?
Fire one.
That's still speed.
Cover on me.
Yeah, I can't.
Fire one.
Targets.
Should I go hit scan?
Sombra's 1 HP.
Switch this.
Is this winnable? Astor's with a nano, or do you win it?
Yeah, we win.
Who's the one?
He's hacked. Careful.
Yes.
Nano him now.
No, he's anti, my dude.
He's not now.
Get in there.
Nice.
Coming.
Far dead.
Don't see none.
On the run.
She has 3 grab.
Zarya low. I'm hacked. Go on the Zarya.
I'm on the Zarya, no bubble.
Still
Do you,
low.
sir? Nade low.
Fuck off. My
Lucio
point.
this side.
Sorry, one.
Lucio one. He's one. Nice.
Lucio dead.
Huge.
Watching your back. Complete. Die feeder.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I tried to micromanage you. That was my mistake.
No worries.
There we go.
Fine.
Wow, there isn't a map.
Okay, we're going.
Wow.
We're going dive here. Just normal Winston D.Va. Then, but when then
Why are we
Doom-
defending?
well,
Because they don't know how to move. There we go.
They do. Yeah, Winston Diva, fucking. Well, we can either go like
Pharmacy?
Widow Genji or Pharmacy, like Pharmacy Genji or Sombra Doom. We haven't really had much practice with this.
We do.
I think
Edgy.
Sombra Doom can be
Sombra
really
Doom.
strong here.
All right, Sombra Doom.
So I go cam. Robert.
Guess I'm playing Doom.
Yeah, we can do monkey instead of hamster, I think, on this.
Never stop fighting for what you believe in.
I'm definitely going to.
Fuck, I wish there was that
Okay,
grab.
yo. Never mind. We're not gonna switch. We're not gonna switch it up even if we. Say
5, 4, 3.
well,
Maybe.
yeah, we might be if they have like fucking.
Yeah, wait. Don't go into the like thing because they might do the same thing we did.
Just show. The left side with Ryan is fine.
Yeah, it's not quad tank, they will
It looks,
Hanzo.
it looks like.
Hanzo's
Yeah, it's
soldier.
Hanzo.
I got in top.
Do
Do they have anyone high ground? Do
okay.
they have anyone high ground?
No, but they have soldier left side. We can set up for a
I
engage.
don't have. I Matrix now.
I'm on Hanzo.
Oh, back line.
Fuck.
Ryan
That
half.
was.
Another one.
Ryan low. Ryan very low. Ryan 1. Ryan dead.
Francis is dead. Francis is dead.
2. Soldier purple.
I'd say back out.
They use bubble on Ana.
Yeah, come on, come on.
You can
Come
kill
on.
the Lucio.
Get out, get out.
What the Lucifer?
Kill the Lucio. Okay, we can do
Huge,
like a.
huge.
I'm just gonna go up. Protect you.
I need the speed.
All
I need speed.
soldiers are hard to
But, like they have 4 down. I don't know what I should do.
We can re-engage the 6 now.
I'm
We
legit
have to go
spawning.
very now.
I'm ready, I'm ready.
We have to go very now. Or they have.
Hanzo's on high ground.
Yeah, hands are high ground.
Ryan hack.
Hands low. Oh fuck. Oh,
Hands are very low.
Ryan asleep on me.
Hands are 1. Hands are actually 1.
Ryan
Ana
Lucio
behind
anti.
us.
Ryan Lucio anti.
Ana coast. Ana off.
Ryan hack.
Ryan dead.
You're powered up. Get in.
Nice. So you see the visor, just like stand in front of him. Nice. We can kill soldier. He's low. He's very low. Zai used all balls. Zai 1. Dead.
Dead.
Lucio.
Dude, who did?
Okay,
Lucio tries to be froggy.
we can push forward. Kill soldier.
Lucio-
Oh no, we
half
can't.
on
We can't.
that list is quite good.
What?
Hanzo's top left.
Yeah, on him.
Yeah,
Careful, there's Ana too.
I don't know it.
Ana's not Ana. That's
Ana anti.
Anna's dead.
Dead.
No one on payload.
I'll go
Hanzo
payload.
top.
I'll go payload.
Left there's a Hanzo.
Oh, Doom. Lucio Bunny.
Can you bubble me?
Yeah, I know. I'm just running.
Oh,
I have that.
Payload bowling.
Yippee. Thank you. I don't know what you.
Yeah, yippee,
Well, I'm
yippee.
Okay, good.
You might need to nade yourself, Bill, while I'm on cart.
Anna, Zara sleeping.
Yeah,
Yeah,
get,
I'm
out.
I'm on
Run dead.
I'm going cart again.
Oh fuck.
Anna's
You
I'm
got
waiting for you. What tree house?
Yo, can you hack the Zarya?
Yeah. I need heals.
Oh, sorry, I'm reloading.
I'm dead.
Sorry.
Yeah, she has the
That's why
grab.
we shouldn't take 5v6 fights while we're still pushing cart.
I think Lucio's beat as well.
He does.
Move it out.
They're just gonna.
Yeah,
Wait
we
for
just
them to
pull out. We
engage
just
in
pull
it.
out. We just
We
pull
can
out.
Yeah, I'm
Nano
on speed.
Doom.
I'm dead.
Yeah, pull out and then we EMP Nano Doom. The Rhino Shatter.
Nice.
Whoever the fuck that is. That's Zarya. Zarya's grub.
Whoa.
I'll rest.
Okay, yeah, but if we nano doom, you have to EMP Zarya, otherwise she'll just solo grab.
I'm dead.
Nice.
Nice.
I'm
We just
pushing
need
them.
to EMP on their beat. Ryan? Ryan alone?
I'm low.
Ryan 1, dead. Okay, I'm speeding to
nice.
point.
No ults yet.
Not on point.
Their Zarya is still alive. They're gonna grab dragon. They're gonna grab dragon.
If we can get stagger kill. Yeah, we can go. I'm with you.
I don't know.
Honest, no bubble
Lucio
in.
hacks. Good beat.
Are we still
I hate it!
speeding?
EMP? I don't. Okay.
Zai hacked. Zai low. Zai very low. Zai 1.
You're powered up.
Dead.
Get in there.
I'm going cart. McCree, bottom right stairs.
Also dead.
Ryan? Nice. I'm going on this McCree.
They don't have grab. I hate it.
I think
I
everyone.
think we pulled out now.
Maybe.
I think Widow's a lot stronger.
Astrus, I carry you this scrim.
Yep.
Oh, what the fuck, God.
I think I
Crashed though.
go Zen.
I'm kind of doing trash right now.
They have break.
It's bad.
They have
They're going goats,
Oh,
goats,
man.
goats, goats, goats.
Okay,
Maybe I don't go over though.
okay, yeah, just okay, they're going top left,
You
top
just
left.
Yeah, that's countering me.
They use both bubbles.
I'm
Ryan just
gonna
got
bomb.
in.
I'm gonna
Ryan
bomb.
moved in. Ryan. Okay, we have to disengage while the beat ends.
Big bomb.
Ryan,
Ryan just got in.
Hey!
Run, anti, run!
You got it
Nice.
back.
Yo, what?
Easy.
Okay,
That's
3 on
what's
card, 3 on card for the next 5 seconds.
I can get trans like.
Okay,
maybe
go
Druid.
forward, tanks, go forward.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay on the cut. I don't really want to.
I'm gonna anti Ryan.
Sleeping.
Ryan anti,
Break
run.
Break one. The Lucius on call on me. Ryan just got it. Ryan's low.
I'm reloading space.
There's Zara behind you. Okay,
Nice.
Zara's
Lucio one.
Lucio just got it. Break just got it.
Huge doom. Huge fucking doom.
Easy, accepted.
I don't trans him.